How to sign up for Google Workspace. Welcome back to Lemme Help, and let's start with this tutorial. Launch a preferred browser, search for Google Workspace. Select on the first option. You'll be redirected to the official site of Google Workspace. To sign up for it, all you have to do is tap on Get Started bubble given to you. In this, you have to fill out your business name, number of employees, and the country or region that your business lies on. Now, once you have successfully filled this out, you can scroll down, then select on the next bubble. In the contact info, you need to enter your first name, last name, and the current email address that you use. Then select on Next. If you have a domain, select on Yes. If not, select on No, I need one. Now you need to select for your domain names. Mind it, each domain consists of different pricing, so you can select on the one that you prefer. Now, if you do not want the username for now, you can change it later, and as you can see, it will cost you a certain fee. For me, it is $22 per year. Just go ahead and tap on Next. To fill out your business information, enter the street address, city, postal code, and your business phone number. Tap Next when done. Now enter the username that you want as a business email account. Then enter the password. You can select on the option if you want notification from Google Workspace. Verify yourself as not a robot. Now, once you have filled this out, you can scroll down. You will find the option of Agree and Continue. Just tap on it. Once you are done from here, you'll be redirected to a new page. This is the admin console. Enter an email address that was just created, and as you can see, there is my domain name. Then just tap on Next. In this password box, enter the password. Then select on the next bubble once you are done. Enter your phone number to receive an OTP code. You can decide if you want as SMS or a call. Then in this box, enter the OTP code that was sent to you in your designated number. Now all you have to do is tap on I understand. The final step is to pay for your package. However, it will cost you nothing for 14 days. Now just tap on Agree and Continue. In this, review for your details. Then at the bottom, you need to check out. For that, enter your card number, your expiration date, and your CVC. Then tap on Agree and Continue. Once the payment is successful, you'll get your hands on your very own Google Workspace. And it's a wrap for the video as well. Thank you so much for tuning in.